Good morning, everybody. Say good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Be loudly, please. Now morning will be start. Okay. Welcome everybody to Guru School. I am your host, Mr. Roshan Joshi.
Sir,
As
your
a
video
Vedic
is not
teacher.
on. Roshan, sir, your video is not on.
Sir, after sometimes we will also share my video. Before
Okay.
starting our video,
Okay, okay.
we will introduce ourselves. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Are you ready for all of you? Darshil, are you ready? Hello. Hello. Hello, everybody. Please say
Yes,
hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, because your response is the most important to interact with us. Okay. Now, again, good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome to Guru School. And I am your host, Mr. Roshan, sir. Then, in the last session, Dev sir introduced us. Hence, again, we will thank to Dev sir. And Mr. Sharma sir is also with us. Mr. Sharma sir is our Vedic teacher also. Join us. Say namaste to him. Namaste. Say to namaste him, Mr. Sharma sir.
Namaste, Sharma, Jitendra Sharma, sir.
Namaste, beta. Namaste. Thank you.
All students give the response to all the teacher. Okay.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste,
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, beta. It's good to hear namaste from you.
Now, before starting our session, let's take a review or revise of the last session. Everybody were present in the last session. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Shall I share my screen with you?
Yes.
Yes. You can.
I will try. Please, any technical problem will be created, then please ask me. Okay. Now,
Yes.
I am sharing screen. What is you are seeing on my screen?
Guru School Virtual Summer Camp.
Okay. Now we are here. Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics. In the last session, we have to discuss on these topics. What is the meaning of Vedic? What is the meaning of mathematics? It is a revise. First, starting the next session, second session. First, we have to review. Take the review. Then we have to go the next portion. What is that? A gift given to the world by an ancient sage of India. A system which is far more simple and enjoyable than the modern mathematics. By this meaning, we know that a Vedic mathematics help us to make a simple your mathematics and enjoyable to modern mathematics. In the last period, we have to see about that. Some tricks we have to use here. Now the second thing about this research show that the application of Vedic mathematics makes you both parts of the brain. Makes use of the both parts. How many parts in the brain? According to your knowledge? Yes, anybody, please.
There are two parts which are
Absolutely great. There are two parts.
Left side, right side, sir.
Left side, right side. Okay. These two parts will be used by using the Vedic mathematics. It's called brain. It means the main theme of our Vedic mathematics is that train the brain. Train the brain. Please repeat after me. Train the brain. Train the brain. Repeat, please. Then, in the last period, we know that there are the holy books of ancient Indian sage. It's called teacher, right? Holy books. These 4 books are important for the Indian culture. Okay, there are 4 books of Vedas. First is here. Can you see on the screen?
Yes, sir.
First books, that is oldest from these 3 books, that is Rig Veda. It's called Rig Veda. It's collect from the Sanskrit shloks also. Then after Yajur Veda, then after Sam Veda, then after Atharva Veda. These 4 Vedas are very important to us. And from these Vedas, it is a collection of all things. From these Vedas, this person, who is this person? Who is this person? Father of Vedic mathematics, Bharti Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj. I will repeat again, Bharti Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj, which is born on Tamil Nadu, India. This person called Vedic mathematics because this person rediscovered in 1911 to 1914 the all formulas. It's called sutras. Collect and makes a Vedic mathematics system. Hence, it's called a Vedic father of Vedic maths. Okay, who is this? Bharti Krishna Tirthaji. Okay, please say okay.
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 You please respond, because after your response, I will emphasize this. Okay, then what is the Vedic maths? Now, here the 4 points are also given. What is the Vedic math? Read properly. World fastest mental system. And I told you the 16 sutras, as well as called these formulas in our language, are in this system. It is very simplified systematic procedure, mathematics. Then the maths phobia creates an interest toward the subject, like this. Okay, it's a what is Vedic math? Now, that is the 16 sutras. Some sutras are given here, 16 sutras, but these sutras are given in English. But in Vedas or in Vedic mathematics books, these are given in Sanskrit. We will learn in the session by session, and after application of the sutras. Now today we will learn 1 sutras. We will teach you first the 16 sutras of Vedic math. What we will learn in the last session? How many? First, what is meant by Vedic mathematics? Then what is the father of Vedic mathematics? Then 16 sutras of Vedic mathematics. Here show to you by one more, one before, all of 9 from the last 10, like this vertically crosswise, but it is given in English because we have to teach in English. Hence, I will write here in English, but it is given in Sanskrit. Okay, do you know the Sanskrit? About Sanskrit, everybody, what is the Sanskrit? Sanskrit is our Indian language, cultural language, ancient language. Okay, all 4 Vedas write in the form of Sanskrit. Then the Rishis, Vedic math. Here we are here. The Vedic math, 16 sutra we can solve. By using these 16 sutra, we can solve any problems of mathematics, like algebra, geometrical problem, any huge problems we can solve on them. It means we have to go. The main theme of our Vedic mathematics is that, what is that? Train the brain. It means it is the main thing. But one thing I will always show you, if you have to complete this course, then your confidence level, you feel that your confidence level will be increased after completing the course, because by getting this sutra, by getting the knowledge of Vedic maths, you can improve your school math also. You can do your mathematics very fast. It means when you are going to school, then you use this formula. Okay. Now, now stop the screen here. Okay. Which things we have to learn here? It's a review. The last session we have to learn about that. Now I know that it is a virtual class and we must use virtual class. Laptop must be used. We can use PPT, we can use Excel, we can use so many things in virtual class. But in mathematics, I use a whiteboard. Why are you using whiteboard here? Because we can do from the Vedic math on your laptop or virtual class, but I want to give you a feeling of your classroom. Okay. I think, are you miss your school? Are you miss your school or not?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Are you miss your school?
Not really.
Say something. Are you miss your school, your classroom, your friends?
Very little bit.
Okay, okay. Now, Mr. Sharma sir and I also decided that we have to give the feeling of classrooms. Hence, we have to use here whiteboard, because just think that our classroom, last 1 year, we miss our classroom in India also, in America also, US also, student can't present in classroom. Then we have to make here a classroom feeling. Hence, we have to use whiteboard, because our 3 friends are waiting in our classroom. Which is that? Which 3 friends always with us? First is a whiteboard. Our friend always present in classroom. These whiteboards, our great scientist, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam said about the very beautiful lines about the whiteboard. Which is that? He said that always board is white, your classroom board is white, but it makes your future bright. Hence, the best friend, who is that? First best friend is whiteboard waiting for us. Then next friend, second one is pen. You can use, it's called chalk also. Then the third friend and most important friend, which is that? It is the 3 friends always present in classroom. We have to learn about most important 2 friends. First is whiteboard, second is our pen, and the third is always present, that which is your teacher. Okay, these 3 friends now today we are missing due to lockdown, due to COVID pandemic. So okay, don't worry. Hence, in virtual class, we decided that we have to make a classroom feeling. Hence, now we have to move towards our classroom. Okay, are you ready to move your classrooms?
Yes, sir.
Hello everybody, now you are in your classroom, Vedic classroom. Can you see me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes.
writing here? It's a multiplication. We know that in the last period, we have to know about the some tricks. I hope you were enjoy it. Which tricks? Do you forget it? Or do you remember? Please, which
We
tricks we have
remember.
to learn? Yes. Which is that?
So table 11 tricks.
Ekdam. Okay. First trick is multiply with 11. The second trick is which is second trick? Yeah, square. But for which numbers? Those number having unit place is 5. The squaring method we have to learn. It is very easy for us. But these tricks we have to apply only some conditions. Okay. Now we have to going to our second condition, second session. It means here we have to teach here with our syllabus now. In our website, the syllabus are given. Now we have to teach with syllabus wise teaching here. Then first we have to teach here multiplication. I know you are what are you grade? Are you in? Anybody? Yes, Darshin. What is your grade, Darshin?
I'm 8.
8th grade. 8.
Yes.
Yes. Janisha, can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
What is your grade, beta?
Sir,
5th grade. Okay. Do you understand about multiplication, Janisha?
yes, sir.
Okay. Then Darshil, Janisha, Ashrita.
I'm going to 9th grade.
Ashrita, please.
I am
Now
going to, next year I'll go to 9th grade.
Okay, okay. Ashrita, you very well know about the multiplication, Ashrita.
Huh? Can you
Yes or not?
can you repeat the question?
Okay. Sarah, what is your grade?
I'm going to 7th grade next year.
7th grade in next year. It means those are present here already known about the 4 major operation, which is that addition. First is addition, then second is subtraction, then multiplication and division. All 4 major operation we can teach here, but first we have to start the multiplication. Okay, are you ready
Yes,
to
sir.
hear the new tricks of multiplication?
Yes.
Yes.
Then now we have to move towards the whiteboards. Here I have write multiplication, but condition is given of single digit numbers. But in Vedic mathematics, 2 main methods is for multiplication. Step by step, we will learn all the operations, all the sutras and all the methods. Now that is the first sutras, which is obtained from the 16 important sutras taken from the Vedas. Okay, which is that Nikhilam Sutras. It is a Sanskrit word, Nikhilam Sutras. Please repeat after me, Nikhilam Sutras. Please repeat.
Nikhilam
Everybody.
Sutras.
Nikhilam
Nikhilam
Sutras.
Okay. Okay. Nikhilam Sutras. By using these sutras, I will give the meanings. It is a Sanskrit word. I will teach in English. Then don't worry about the Sanskrit. I will teach in English. Hence, I will write here the meaning, English meaning here also. This, by using these sutras, we have to solve the multiplication. It's a very easy to solve it. But I know that you know multiplication very well, but we will start from the single digits. Okay. And the second method is also, we know that we can take this method the next session. all two methods which is easy to solve the multiplication. Second is Udharva method, Udharva sutras, but we will take on the next session. Okay, first we have to go Nikhilam sutras. Okay, all of are ready
Yes. Yes, sir. Ready.
Yes, sir.
to play with the sutras? Please repeat Nikhilam sutras. Nikhilam sutras. Now, Nikhilam sutras, erase it. By using this Nikhilam sutra, we will take the multiplication. First multiplication is easy for you because you know that the conventional method of multiplication. But important thing is that if you do the multiplication, it means you know the tables. Okay. But in Nikhilam sutras, what we will do? Then please move towards the A. Nikhilam sutras, here multiplication, single digit numbers. We have to multiply the single digit numbers. And it is very easy for us. I know very well. Lower than the base. It is important, base. Before starting the multiplication by using the application of Nikhila sutras, everybody knows about the base. That is the main theme of the Nikhilam sutra. Everybody listen me properly, then I will start. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Base. What is meant by base? Here listen. Every single digit has a base 10. Every single digit. Here 1, 2, 3, like 10. The base is 10. The power of 10. If a single digits are given, then their base is 10. Okay. Now two digit numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like that. Okay. It means two digit, the base is 100. Okay. If three digit numbers are given 5, 3, 8. What is the base of this number? Yes. Can't you understand? Hello. Can I repeat again? Yes, please. Can I repeat it? Are you present there? Darshil,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear.
Then please. You can understand it?
Can you repeat again, sir?
Okay, I will repeat again. Base means base will be in the form of 10 powers. Like this. 10, 100, thousands. These are called base in Vedic mathematics in Nikhilam Sutra. It means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh are the bases. For which numbers? If single digit number, then base is 10. If two digit number, then base is 100. If three digit number, then base is 1000. Like this, it will be go. Okay. If
Yes, sir.
now 8. I will take here 8. 8 has a base 10. 8 has a base. Because it is important for us. Please listen carefully. When we do the multiplication in the form of Nikhilam sutras, it is very easy. But before starting this procedure, we know that what is meant by base. Base means a power of 10. In Vedic mathematics, it's called the base. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, that is the base. Single digit has a base 10. If two digits have a base 100, if three digit number are, then base is 1000. Similarly, we go on. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everybody understand about the base?
Yes, sir, I
will ask
understood.
you about the. Yes.
Understood.
Okay. Now the our example. Here we have to get single digit numbers. Single digit number. Okay. Here lower than the base or closer. Lower or closer. Both. Then here take 7 multiply by 8. Here. You know that the answer what is that? But before starting our use example, we must how to the procedure solve the multiplication by this formula. It's called Nichilam Sutras. Okay. Now here 7 multiply by 8. Here we can write difference. Difference means what is the difference between 7 and their base? First thing that what is the base of 7?
So 10.
10. Okay, 10 is the base of 10. 7. 10 is the base of 8. Okay, it means what is the difference between 7 and 10? It is important. We have to write here the difference. First, it means if we have to solve the multiplication of two numbers, then we know the base of the numbers. If here both are the single digit number, hence we know that their base is 10. It means here 7, the base is 10. The difference between 7 and 10 is -3. Why I will write here negative? Because 7 is less than, hence I write here negative. It is a less number, hence I write -3. Okay. Then here, what is the difference here?
So -2.
-2. It is the first example. After some example, you can calculate very fast. I will also show you very slowly because you have to understand it. Then, how to get this? It means difference. How to get this difference? 7 minus 10. The number, it is the base. We get -3. Do you understand the positive and negative? 7 minus 10 is -3. Everybody know about that?
Yes.
Yes.
Can I teach you about positive and negative addition, positive negative subtraction? That is the basic of our mathematics. Okay. Here you can write 8 minus
8
10.
10.
It is the procedure. You cannot write when you have to solve this example. You have to write only the differences. And we know that it is the less 3, hence I have write here -3. It is a less 10 by 2, hence I write here -2. Okay. Now
Yes.
we have to multiply by 7 into 8. Here is the difference. Now we have to, in the product, give the slant line here. Slant line here makes two parts. This part is left hand side and this part is right hand side. Okay. Left hand side here. Left hand side. It is a right hand side. Now do the multiply here. The product of the differences right here. What is that? 3 2s are
6.
how many 3 2s are? 6. Right here 6. Okay. You can write left hand side is 6. Now here on the right side, which digit? Then what we'll do? The cross addition. The cross addition you can write here like that. 7 minus 2. First thing, write the differences. The multiplication or the product of their difference right here on the left hand side. In that side, it means right hand side. write 7 minus 2. If you have to write 8 minus 3, it will be equal. 8 minus 3 is also 5. 7 minus 2 is also 5. It means crosswise addition is same. Okay. Here 8 minus 3 is also 5. Here 7 minus 2 is also 5. Hence, crosswise addition you have to write on the right side. Okay. Now what is that? Here 7 minus 2. What is that?
5.
Here the 10-digit number on the right side. Now here the left side number is 6. We get the answer 56. 7, 8 is 56. And we know that, after all, you know that very well because you know the table of 17, you know the table of 8, hence you will do very well. But table will be increases. Then what will be happen? Everybody know the tables?
Yes.
On which tables do you know? 12. Do you know about the 12 tables?
Yes, sir.
13 tables. Can you speak fluently of 13 tables, 15 tables? Anybody from you? Yes, Sarah.
No, I actually can't remember the whole 13th table or the 15th table. So.
Okay. And Darshil? Darshil, do you understand about what
I can work out.
Okay. Let's move our example. First, we will review again single digit. We have to go next the double digit, then 3 digits. 2-digit multiplication number by using this method. 3-digit multiplication by using this method. First, we have to know the procedure. Hence, I will take the single digit. Okay. It means the multiplication here is 7 and 8. Now, we have to find out the differences. But the base is most important here. A single digit is 7 and 8. Hence, base is 10. It is less 3. Hence, I can write here minus 3. 8 is less than 2. Hence, I write here negative 2. Then multiplication of differences right on the left hand side. Now crosswise addition like this or like this. Right here we get the answer. Okay. Now we will check the another example also of single digit. First we have to make the single digit. Let's take 5 into 7. 5 into 7. It is single digit number. You know very well what is the answer, but we have to find out our formulas, our Vedic mathematics. Then the difference of
Base is
5.
10.
Yes.
Base is 10.
Minus 5 is less than 10.
5.
Minus 5. It's called negative 5. It's called negative 5. Here the base
Minus
is
3.
10.
Next one.
Now the base is put in your mind. Don't write here the base. You have to write here minus
3.
3. Okay. Now we have to find out the product. Give the slant height. It means make 2 parts. First of differences. Second the given numbers. Now the multiplication of these 2 differences. What is that? What is the multiplication of these 2 numbers?
15.
15. Okay. Now on this right hand side, we have to crosswise addition. 5 minus 3 or 7 minus 5. Both are the same. Hence, I write here 5 minus 3. Okay. Now it is a single digit number. Hence, We have to write here 5 only. The before number is 1, carry forward on this subtraction. We know that. What is subtraction here? 5 minus 3 is
2, but it will become 3 because you said that it will add.
okay. Now this one carry forward here. Add on this right hand side number.
3.
Okay. It means 2 plus 1, that is 3. And the unit place digit is 5. The multiplication of 5 into 7 is 35. Okay.
Yes.
Is it right? Is it right?
Yes, sir, it is right.
Yes, it is right. Now we will take one example again for a practice. Okay. Now, similarly, we have to do this procedure. We know that the all numbers, let's take here 3 into 9. We know that answer very well. Can I solve you? Okay, you can solve it.
We
Can you
can
solve
solve
this?
it. So we can
Okay.
solve it.
I will give us 1 minute time. Who will solve the first? Let's start. Who will start? After getting the answer, those students reply fastly, he is winner. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, how many?
I got
Everybody
3.
knows about the table. Yes, you will write like about your conventional mathematics. But now we have to study about our sutras. Yes, we have to go into this manner. Here, difference is what is the
Minus
difference?
7.
-7. Okay. After that, here,
Minus
what is the
1.
difference?
Minus 1.
-1. Okay. Now give the slant height, because slant height we have two portion. It is left hand side portion. It is right hand side portion. Now multiply the differences. What is the difference? What is the product of these differences? It is a 7. 7 ones are
7.
Okay. 7 ones are 7. Okay. Now what is the next procedure about the right hand side? What is the procedure?
The cross addition.
Cross subtraction.
Cross addition. Like this. It means 3
The cross
minus 1.
subtraction.
Okay. 3 minus 1. Now what is that? 3 minus 1.
So 2, then will be converted into 27.
This answer is right. Left hand side answer is
7. 27 is the answer.
here. There is no any digit. If here is any digit, then it will be carried forward. But here is not any digit. Hence, we can't carry forward. That is the answer is 27. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We know that it is very simple, and the conventional method is also very simple because we know the tables. Hence, now we have to go into the 2-digit number, then 3-digit numbers. Okay.
So
Yes. You have any questions about the procedure?
question, sir, it's clear.
Okay. We will see again. And if you have any question, then please comment on group or my personal number. I will teach you again in the next session. Okay. Now, not a single digit. Here, 2-digit. We are going to 2-digit number multiplication. Listen carefully. Procedure. First, we have to understand about the procedure. Lower than the base, or otherwise closer than the base. Now we have taken here one example. We have taken here 2-digit number. Okay. Here 94 into 92. 94 into 92. Okay. Everybody knows the tables of 92. Everybody knows. Darshit, you know the table of 92?
No, sir.
No. Sarah, please tell the table of 92. Janisha. Hello.
Yes,
Can you,
sir.
do you know the table of 92?
No, sir.
Yes. I think Ashrita knows 92 tables. Ashrita.
I mean, give me 10 minutes and I could probably do it for you.
Okay. 10 minutes is more in Vedic mathematics. Now, if we have to do in our procedure, then what we will do? Let's move to our Nikhilam Sutras. Okay. Here, write difference. Now, what is the base here? First thing, 94.
100.
2 digit number. Here base is a 100. It means the difference between 100 and 94. What is that? The difference.
So -6.
Absolutely correct. Great. -6. Why will write here minus? Because 94 is lesser than the 100. Hence, I have write here negative. Okay. Now, similarly, 92. What is the difference?
-8, sir.
-8. Great. After our procedure, what is our procedure? We have to make a stand height, make 2 different parts. Similarly, we have to learn in the last example, but here the numbers are bigger than 2-digit numbers. Now, here what the procedure is the same. Here, multiply of the differences. What is mean by if multiply with the 6 into 8? What is the answer?
48.
48. 48. Is it right?
It's correct.
Yes. After that, in our right hand side, okay, crosswise addition. It's called addition because 94 minus 8 is a sign of negative. Hence, we will take here addition. Okay. Then here is 48. Here is 94 minus 8. Everybody know about the 94 minus 8. What is the answer? What is the answer? 94 minus 8. Yes. Is it
86,
difficult?
sir.
Is it difficult for you?
Sir, 86.
Yes, 86. Okay. And then here is 48. Okay. Then answer is
4.
8, 6, 4, 8. That is the answer. You have one question in your mind. What is that? You have one question. I think you have a question in your mind. Which is that? And what is that? You have any question about this procedure?
Why don't we carry forward?
Yes, that is the important question. Why we don't carry forward? Listen carefully. Here base is 100. Here base is 100. Hence here our base is 100 and we want 2 zeros. Here it means 2 digit here. If base is 100, then we want 2 digit here. Hence we cannot carry forward the 4 here. If base is 100, then we can't carry forward it. If here is any number, let's take if here is 3, here is 1, it means base is 100 and we get three numbers, then carry forward it one. Okay.
Sir, understood.
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, and please set in your mind, if we have to base 100, that means on the right hand side we require two-digit numbers. If we get three-digit number, then carry forward it. Otherwise not. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
that is answer. Okay, it is an answer. Okay, we will go to the next example. Okay. Now, similarly, we can do that with procedure, because after keeping your practice, you get very easy. Okay, we will take the another example here. 98 into 97. Here, I will tell you, lower or closer. 98 is closer to the 100. 97 is also closer to the 100. And the another numbers which is not so far closer of 100, then we have to also next tricks we have to learn on our session. But first about that, okay, differences. Now your moves. 98, we know that base is 100.
-2.
Minus 2.
2.
Okay.
Next is -3.
Minus, yes, 3. Okay. After that, make two parts by drawing the slant line. Here left hand side, here right hand side. And we know that on left hand side, we have to multiply the differences.
Answer is 956.
Yes. Answer is
956.
956. Everybody agree with Darshan? To Darshan? Let's check it. Okay. Yes. What is the multiplication? Yes.
6.
Here 6. Okay. Darshan gives answer. I have to write here. What is the answer, Darshan? You have to take. What is your answer, Darshan?
I said 956.
Okay. We will do our procedure, then we will check it. Okay. Here 3 2s are 6. I will write here. Now on the
Sorry, it is 950.
Okay. We will do it. 98 minus 3. That is a crosswise addition. 98 minus 3. These two steps we have to done here. Now we have to write the subtraction. 98 minus 3. What is that?
Sir, 95.
Okay, 95. And here is 6. Now similarly, we have to write here 956. The same thing, it is a wrong answer. Why? It is a wrong answer because in the last example, I have to say that, what is said that? Here the base is 100. Here the base is 100. Then how many zeros here on the base? How many zeros? 2 zeros. How many zeros? 2 zeros. It means we have to need or require or must 2 digit here, but we get only 1 digit. Yes, here is no digit. Then you have to write 1 0 here and make a 2 digit number. Make it 2 digit number. Now answer is 9506. If the base is 100, then we require 2-digit number on the left hand side. Sometimes the multiplication of the difference not in a 2-digit, in a single digit, then take a 0. Sometimes what happen, the differences, the multiplication of the differences are going on 3 digits. It means we have to require only 2 digits. You carry forward the digit here. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Why are you doing? Why are changing this rule? Because the base is
2.
because the base is
100.
please. Base is 100. Okay. Confused? Are you confused? Are you confused? Darshil.
Sir.
Darshil. Understood it?
Sir.
Hello, Janisha, can you hear me properly? Janisha can't hear me. Darshil
Yes,
cannot hear me. Ashrita, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Ashrita.
I can hear.
Then Sarah. Hello, Sarah, where are you? Hello, Sarah, can you hear me properly? Okay. Some technical issue will be created. Don't worry, we will come back. Okay. If the technical problem will be solved, then we will start our class. Okay.
Sir,
Now evaluate this example.
sir,
Yes, Darshil. Now can you hear me?
sir, how to multiply 36 into 52?
Darshil.
Sir, I can hear you. Sir, how to multiply 36 into 52?
Okay. But can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Before starting the next procedure, can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes. Anybody from Darshil, Ashrita, Sarah, Janisha?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
I can hear you.
Sir, I have a question.
Hello.
Yes, beta, go ahead.
Yes, I think. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Now we will take our next example. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now here taken another example, that is 91 into 88. 91 into 88. It is not easy for us because here 2 degrees number and 88 is a more number. We cannot tell the table of 88. Hence, we can do with our Nikhilam Sutras. Okay. here difference. By using this procedure, here. Now, what is the difference? Here base is 100. It is set in our mind. What is the difference here? Yes,
9, -9,
-9. Okay. What is the difference here?
-12,
Yes. How many? Yes.
-12.
-12. Okay. And now these are differences. We have to find out the product. Here, make two parts, left hand side part and right hand side part. Okay. Now multiply the differences. 12 lines are. How many 12 lines are? Everybody understand about the 12 tables. 12 lines are
108.
108. Okay. 108. Here on the right hand side. On the right hand side. Now, what is the procedure right hand side? Like this crosswise addition, like
Cross
this
subtraction.
it is the same, both are the same. We have taken any one. Now I have to write here 91 minus 12. Yes, 91 minus 8. किती होगा? What is 91 minus 12? What is the answer?
89.
89. Is it right? 89?
So it is right.
89? Please. 89?
79.
Is it right?
No,
Is
it's
it right, someone?
79. It's 79.
Yes. I think it is not right. I think. What is your opinion?
79.
79. Okay. Sometimes we will make the mistakes. Hence, 79. Okay. Now, what is our next procedure? What is our base here? What is our base here? $100. Okay. Here, 2 zeros. It means we require 2 digits on the left hand side. This one is excess here. Excess. If it is excess, it means it carry forward on the right hand side. It means it gets 1. We have to add that. Then what is the answer? 79 plus 1. How many? 80. Okay. And the remaining numbers on the left hand side is that 0, 8. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Everybody understand it? Hello.
So can you repeat?
Now I will give one example. You have to solve it and you have to give the answer. Who will give me the first answer? He is the winner of our today's session. Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
one boy is telling to repeat it.
yes.
One child is telling to repeat the procedure. Kindly repeat the example.
Again, I will repeat.
One boy was telling. Who was telling? Darshil, you are telling?
No, sir, I wasn't telling.
Okay. Who was in need to repeat it? Tell me.
Do you want to repeat or solve it?
One student told to repeat, na?
Yes, yes.
Okay, you kindly repeat, sir. I don't know why they are not telling right now. One more example you can take. Simple example.
Yes, yes. I will take another example also. Okay.
97
into 98. Okay. Two-digit numbers multiply by 2 digit. It is a closer to the base. Here
Why
base
are
is
we
the
only
100.
doing it 97 and 98, sir? We can do it 32 by 32 into 52.
Yes. Before starting our this section, I will say you it is a closer to 100. After that, we will take another examples. On the next session, we have to lot of tricks, lot of methods. This tricks is very useful to closer the bases. Hence, I will take this example. Okay, don't worry about that. The Vedic formula has a solution of every times of every problems. Then don't worry about that. Step by we will learn about that. First, we will learn about this number which is closer to the base. Okay. Then we will take another example. Yes. Are you agree with me? Darshil,
Yes, sir.
we will take another example.
So the answer is 9506.
Great. But you can solve by conventional method or Nikilam Sutrat method. On which method you have to use here? Which method you have to use here? Yes, Darshil, you have to tell the answer.
This is 100.
Yes. Okay. Sarah, what is your answer? You have paper or pen here? There?
Sir, Sarah can't hear you, but she's looking at the board.
Yes, Janisha, can you hear me? You can't give any response. Janisha,
Yes, sir.
we have to solve it.
Sir, 9506.
Great. Take, we will check it by our procedure. Check your answer. I will do here. Okay. Difference.
Minus 3. Minus 3 and minus 2.
Minus 2. Now, here.
6.
What is that? 6. Okay. Then.
97 minus. We can take it as 06. Sir,
Okay.
06 on the right RHS.
Okay. Yes. 06 because 10 is base. Here. What is that?
Sir, 95.
06. Okay. The procedure. Now, most important thing, we have take here 91, 92, 82, 83 because it is closer to the 100. Okay. Hence, we have take this example. Sometimes these types of also examples are also present in front of you. Hence, I will teach this method. We have to teach the next method to next another numbers. Okay. You have any questions?
No, sir, all clear.
Now I will give one example, then we will test our next procedure. Don't worry, 98, it's okay. Now 82, okay, into 85. Procedure is the same. You can do it. I will give you 2 minutes. 1 minute is more for this example by this formula. Then we will take the next example. Yes. Now your time is closed. You have any answer? Anybody?
Yes, sir. What, sir?
we have to find out the answer of this example.
Yes.
What is the
100 minus 82
do
is
it,
equal
do
to
it,
my
do it,
18.
do it by our procedure and give me your answer. Everybody do it and give me an answer. Everybody will do it.
Sir, doing it, sir.
Yes, what is answer? Darshan, what is your answer?
I'm
Darshan,
solving. 1 second, please.
yes. Okay, okay, okay. Do it. After solving your example, then please send the message of answer or otherwise told me. After solving this example.
6970.
Uh, it is Darshan? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Darshan. What is the answer?
Sir, 6970.
6970. Yes.
Sir.
Darshan gives the answer 6970. Then another,
I also got 6,970.
yes, Sarah. What is your answer?
Sir, me
Same.
too.
Yes, same. Sarah has answer 6970 or other something different from this answer.
6970 Janisha, sir.
6970 from Janisha also. Yes. Janisha also 6970. Okay. Ashrita, what is your answer?
6,970.
6970. Oh. Janisha. Then Ashrita 6970. Now we have to check our procedure. You also check your procedure on your paper. Differences. What is the difference here?
Sir, minus 18.
Minus 18. Here
Sir, 15. Minus 15.
minus 15. Okay. After that, due to this land height, next two part, we have to multiply the differences. What is the difference? What is the
Sir,
product of-
270.
Yes, yes, yes. What
270.
is
270, sir.
270? Is it right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Everybody? Yes, okay. Now on this side, what will we do? On this side,
82 minus 15, sir.
82 minus 15. Okay, great. Now 82 minus 15. What is the answer?
Sir, 67.
67. And what about this side?
We need to add 2 to 67
Okay, add 2 because base is 100.
because the base is 100, sir.
2 digit only here 70 and 2 carry forward here. Okay. Then answer is 67 plus 2. 69. And the remaining
Zero.
part of the answer is 70. All of you use full mark, out of mark, 10 out of 10. Okay. It means you understand it very well. After practicing, you get more faster for solving this example. What is that here? When we have to go far away from the base, then the differences are more and the multiplication there are products make bigger. Hence, I have already said we have to multiply this procedure use to closer or lower to the base. Sometimes 56 into 32 also given. We have also a tricks for this example. But now condition is applied. It is very easy to solve by this application. Okay. Now turn towards the third digit, 3 digit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have procedure is the same for the 3 digit. 3 digit numbers. Procedure is the same, but we have to do slowly here. Take the example 994 into 896. You know the conventional method. You know it, conventional method.
Sir, now the
Same
base
method.
is 1000, sir.
Do you think? What do you think? What is the base here?
1000.
1000. Absolutely right. Base is 1000. It is right. We have to do our procedure similarly. But if we have to done with the conventional method, then we get more times. Here, by using the Nichiren Sutra, most important thing again, Darshin, most important thing is that these numbers are closer to the base. Hence, we have to use this procedure. Some numbers are different, then we have to use next procedure. Next sutras, I will teach you. Okay, difference. What is the difference here, right? You have to say me 994. What is the difference?
Sir, -6.
-6. Now we have to use the base is 1000 because it is a 3-digit number. Then take -6. Okay. What is the difference here? Say properly.
Sir, minus 14.
Minus
14.
Please repeat it again. 8, 9,
Sir,
6.
minus 14.
14. -14. Is it right?
Sir,
No.
114.
114. Okay, great. 114 minus 114. Why are you right here minus? Because it is lesser. It is lower. Hence I write here minus. If it is a bigger than 1000, then I write here positive sign. We will take the example also. Now, what is our next step? Make two parts. We have to multiply 104 with 6. What is the answer? 100, 6 are 600 and 4, 6 are 24. What it means? What is the answer here?
624.
624. Okay. Is it right? Now, what is we will do on this side? Crosswise? Anything. Both are the same. Okay. I think I have to write here E. 896 minus 6. Okay. This crosswise. What is the answer here? 896. What is the answer here? Yes.
Sir, 890.
890. Okay. Here. 2 digit. Now 6.
Sir, +6. +6.
Sir, plus 6.
Yes. What is?
Plus
Can we
6.
take,
+6.
can we take 6 here?
You're not supposed to carry it because it's a 3-digit number and the base is 1000.
Yes. It is the base is 1000. Hence, we want 3 digit compulsory here. Hence, we cannot carry forward the 6 here. When the base is 100, then it will be forwarded, carry forward on the right side. But here not, because base is 3-digit number. The 3 zeros here, it means we need 3 numbers here. We can write here. It means answer is 8, 9, 0, 6, 2, 4. That is the answer. Okay. When this 3-digit multiplication, we can do our school method or conventional method or traditional method, then we get more times. But after using this formula, we will solve this example in a second. But most important thing that if you to save your time, then keep your practice. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that is the formula. What is the name of the formula we have to use here?
Nikhilam Sutram.
Yes, please loudly.
Nikhilam Sutras.
Nikhilam Sutra. Okay, it is a Sanskrit word, and it is a very beautiful word. We know that Sanskrit is a very good language. Okay, Nikhilam Sutra, and we know that how many sutras in our Vedic mathematics? How many sutras?
16.
Yes, 16 sutras. From these 16 sutras, we have to use applied here one sutra, that is the Nikhilam Sutra. Okay, that is the after keeping the practice, we save your time, the huge number of multiplication, do in a within a second, not a minute, in a second. Okay, that is the procedure. Now we have to learn the next procedure also, next method also. The step by step, I will teach you all the procedure, and that is slightly different from our school math. When we have to use this method in your school math, then your teacher will impress, your friends will be impressed. Oh, how do you know the Shakuntala Devi? About the Shakuntala?
So, yes, sir.
Anybody?
Yes, sir.
See some videos about her.
Sir,
Shakuntala.
human computer.
Yeah, human computer, yes. And this Shakuntala Devi is also used the Vedic math. By using this formula, she became a human computer. In the last session, our sir, our Dev sir, our sir said us the lot of competition on your USA spelling bee, spelling bee. Yes, it is a spelling bee. And Indian students will winner in this competition because Indian students knows are very curious about their mathematics or mathematics. Okay. Do
Yes,
you
sir.
want to assignment? Do you want any assignment?
Yes, sir. We want an assignment.
Okay. On a group. Okay. On a group, I will say some examples of these sutras. Okay.
Okay,
You
sir.
have to solve it. You have to solve it and send it on my number. Okay. Do you have my number on the
Sir.
group? Yes, I have. Then collect my number from the group and send it. Otherwise, you will send on the group also. Okay. Because this group is for us, Vedic group, Vedic summer camp groups, which is made for us. Mr. Sharma sir is also present here. He will also teach us. Now, that is the Nikhilam Sutra procedure. I want to teach more, but some confusion will be happen. Hence, if you want to stop here, then I will stop. If you want to study or to next sutra, then I will start. What is your opinion about our session? Can I start? Can I stop?
Sir, I think screen time is more than 1.5 hours.
Okay.
So
Okay.
children,
Now-
if we
Yes,
tell
yes,
them
yes.
2 sutras in a
Yes,
day,
I
they may get
want-
puzzled.
Yes, I want the opinion of our students, because what is opinion of a student? Student said us fluently or frankly to us. I will
This
stop
page,
here. Mr. Sharma sir also with us. Now Sharma sir gives some suggestions about the Vedic math. Then we will take our next session with next tricks, great tricks on the third session on Friday. Is it right? We will
Yes,
meet
sir.
on. We will
Yes, sir.
meet on.
Be waiting for.
Yes. Goodbye. Now Sharma sir will talk you or say something to you. Yes, Sharma sir, please. Can you hear us?
Hello, students.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Two things I want to tell you, because me and Roshan sir are teaching students from the very long time, and basically we are teaching in a classroom environment. And in a classroom environment, when we are teaching to a particular child, the child can reply immediately to us. The child can reply immediately to us, so we can know that he is understanding our particular topic or not. So when Roshan sir is teaching, you kindly reply yes or no, or raise your hand when you want to say something, so that he can come to know that you are getting the point or not. Okay, to make the class more interactive. We are two teachers here and only 4 students are there. So interaction should be more. If interaction is increasing, the level of understanding will increase. Okay, beta?
Yes. Sir,
Yes, sir.
Sharma sir, Dev sir calling us.
Okay.
Stop our
And second
class.
thing, are you
We
getting
will
me?
meet.
Hello.
We will meet on Friday.
And
Okay,
and
Sharma
second
sir.
thing, kindly do practice. Kindly do practice. We will send you some practice questions also.